sinasabi ni Ma'am kanina na dapat functioning ang CCPC. Kung may AIP tayo at LDIP, natural, magiging functioning na ang ano natin, okay? So, and of course, meron tayong final takeaway kung ano ang susunod nating hakbang after this strategic plan. Okay, so next. So, ito yung ating vision, okay? Sino pwede makabasa ng vision ng Cotabato City? Anyone from you? Hindi na ako magbasa. Sige, ma'am.
Cotabato City vision. A smart city with God-fearing, united, diverse people living in a secure and resilient community with progressive economy and good governance.
Ang ibig sabihin ng ma'am?
First one, kamalalim, mawala ng Cotabato, may tanong.
Okay, so hinahangad ng ang Cotabato City ay naghahangad na maging smart city. Ano smart city? Maraming categories ang smart city, okay? Isa na yan yung magiging highly organized tayo, digital na ang ating mga always na tayo